In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom events in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding how to set up custom events can significantly enhance your ability to track and analyze user interactions. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, the journey begins by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll notice a settings icon at the top corner of your main navigation bar. Go ahead and give that a click. This will lead you into the settings menu, which is your central hub for managing all your customizations and preferences within HubSpot. Next, look to the left sidebar. There, you'll find a section labeled Data Management. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Custom Events. By selecting this, you're entering the realm where all your custom events live and breathe. Now, it's time to take the next exciting step, creating your event. You'll see a button marked Create Event. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of event you want to create. HubSpot offers a variety of options for event creation. You can send data via the API, code with JavaScript, import from a spreadsheet, or use the event visualizer. Each tool is designed for different levels of customization and technical expertise, so choose the one that best fits your needs and your skill set. With your event type selected, the next thing you want to do is define the event. This is where you give life to your event by adding key characteristics. Start by giving your event a clear and descriptive name. This helps you and your team easily identify it later. Then, add a description. This is a brief explanation of what the event is about and what purpose it serves. After that, you'll need to associate your event with an object. Objects in HubSpot can be contacts, companies, deals, or even tickets, and defining this link is crucial for organized data tracking. Finally, hone in on the specific properties of your event. Think of properties as the DNA of your event, customizing the key data points you want to track or analyze. Once you've filled in all these details, you're ready to finalize things. Click on Create or Save to seal the deal. Congratulations, you've just created your custom event in HubSpot. This powerful new tool is now ready to help you gather valuable insights and optimize your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more insightful tips on maximizing your use of HubSpot. Happy marketing!